Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's video would be on junk journaling and I'm going to talk about it in few minutes. So let's move on to DIY number 1. Next we are going to make a bookmark. For this I'm going to use one of this beautiful thick tag that I got from my supplies and I'm applying the leather textured paper on either side of that tag, and I'm applying like generous amount of a not hot glue stick on either side of the tag, and I applied the leather textured paper on either side. Now I'm also taking this finger dabber and applying this vintage stamping ink on 4 corners, and this is how it looks after the vintage ink is stuck on the corners. Now I'm going to select one of this beautiful stocking paper which has vintage floral designs, retro flowers. So I'm just going to take a generous amount of glue stick on top of the tag. One side I just let the leathery textured paper, and one side I'm going to stick this floral design. And after I stuck generously applying the glue stick, now I'm going to use this sanding stone to remove any excess paper, and I'm also using skewers to poke a hole because this is already a fabric tag which came with one of the dresses, so it already has a hole, so I don't have to punch the hole. I just entered the skewer through it. And now I'm using this stencils are also part of the box, so I took one of them which has like a vintage style letters, so I'm just tracing one more page to give like a more motivational quote there. And I also have this beautiful blue color butterfly. I'm also sticking that on top of the letters, and I also have this beautiful thin vintage stickers that I was talking about, and this has got like a beautiful letter, and also in olden days they used to write with feathered ink, right, inked feather, so that's one of it. And I thought that's more relatable with reading and writing, so I'm also taking generous amount of Mod Podge to seal all the letters and the stickers when it comes in contact with water, so it doesn't peel off or fall off. And I'm also taking some of this cotton lace, and I just measure to the length that I want, and I'm actually inserting that through one of the skewers and through the hole, and then I'm going to tie a knot to finish the look. Oh, and the last thing, I ducktail the edges so that it doesn't have a frayed edges to finish the look. And I'm going to show the details of how it looks on either side. And this is the reveal of my beautiful vintage bookmark, and this is something that I gave it to my daughter, and she was very happy to have it. You see this beautiful design of the paper and also the sticker, and my antiquing wax. Actually it's not antiquing wax, it's antique stamp ink. And this is the other side which has one more page, and these are like a nice vintage style letters that I chose for the stencil. Yeah, this video will be part of Journaling Our Way collab, and 7 of us are collabing together in a video hub, which means Sind has my video and I have Tiffany's video, so you can find Tiffany's video in my description box link. So please click her video and watch all of her videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. Here I'm taking one of this sign that I already used, and I painted it pink, and I'm using some of this lemon tissue paper which are leftovers from another project. I'm taking this bath tissue and I'm just sticking on randomly in 3 places with the Mod Podge to give like a nice texture there. And I'm taking some of this spray paint. These are from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just spraying it here and there to give like random colors here and there, and green color as well. I wanted to give like a summer themed junk journaling here, so I'm just using this bright colors and using this tacky glue. I'm just sticking some of this leftover ribbons which had some nice texture to it, and I stuck it on top and bottom. Now I'm sticking this lemon tissue paper which was a leftover from another project. So I just cut it out randomly and I stuck it on one on this side, one on the other side. And this is the butterfly metallic sticker that I stuck it with the tacky glue and some more butterflies and some florals, and I'm just randomly decorating with this black marker. And I also distressed the beads with this black paint, and I just stuck few stuff here and there to give like a nice junk journal look there. And I also wanted to give like a mixed media look, and this is how it turned out. Guys, this is my first time trying this art, so I hope it turned out okay. So please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 3. Now I'm going to use these items and make a beautiful craft. So this is one of the picture frame. It has got like 2 glasses, and this is one of the tissue paper which has got like lace design to it. So I just placed that tissue paper in between those 2 glasses so it looks like a fabric there. So now I'm also taking this beautiful rose stickers from those floral stickers, and I'm using this crafting tweezers. This will help if you have a sticky surface and you want it to hold stickers, and it will help in placing in the right position, I believe. Now I'm going to take this glue stick and I'm going to generously apply towards the back. I think there is also, you can peel the back and also stick it. So for now I'm going to apply the glue stick and attach it to this glassy surface, just like so. Now I also have this beautiful butterflies. I'm also going to stick butterflies all around the florals, just like that. And this is how it looks after they're all done, and I'm not going to overdo it, and I'm going to stop here. And isn't that cute? Nice vintage and shabby chic look where flowers and butterflies and lacy background. And yeah, I'm very much happy with the end result. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. And let's move on to another DIY. I wanted to use this beautiful shabby chic vintage style background paper, and I also wanted to use one of the textured paper that came in that small pouch. So I'm going to attach that to the back of the frame, and I just put my glass on top of it. Now I'm going to stick this on top of the glass. Just got like beautiful cycle, I think spring. I chose the spring design there. There were like roses and beautiful verbiage of vintage style and some cycle in there to represent spring. And I also attached some greenery and tiny cotton lace bow and a pink rose to finish the look. And I also stuck one of the birdie in one corner. That's one of the stickers. As I promised, I wanted to use all the items that came in the box, and this is another cute vintage style decor that I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it as well. Let's move on to DIY number 5. I'm going to use this earphones box. This has this nice cover, and I got this magazine design, and I'm going to cut that and open this box. And this is actually a sturdy and strong box. I wanted to use it, repurpose it. It's got nice texture as well. So I'm just going to take this magazine printout and I'm just going to stick it inside, and it gives like a nice window look from outside. So I'm just taking this glue stick and I'm just sticking that onto the inside paper of this box, and this is how it looks, you guys. And I'm just sticking this one corner with the hot glue again back like that. Using a crafter stick, I'm going to stick this these sides and on the top. Now I'm going to seal the bottom of this box with the hot glue, just like that. And I'm going to stick this crafter stick And using a spackling and this white paint, I'm going to create a mixture, and using this stencil sticker, I'm going to attach that on top of the crafter stick just like that, and I'm going to apply this texture paste onto the sides, onto the top, and in the front. You're going to see that in just a second. So this is how I did. Now I'm going to attach some of this fairy lights that I got from Timu, and I'm going to put the back part and punch a hole and insert the shiny stuff inside, and I'm going to attach that with the hot glue on either side just like that. And you can see those fairy lights are inside and that the switch is on outside. So this is what I wanted to do, and using a hot glue I'm just going to stick this top part just like that, so it's permanently stuck. Now I'm going to take this crafter stick, which I also gave like the texture paste on the top, and I'm just creating the roof of a home. Yeah, I'm going to give like a home look there. So using hot glue I'm going to stick this crafter stick, which is have the conical top on top of the house, and using this black paint, acrylic paint, I'm just covering all over this box, and this is how it looks after it's painted. Now I'm going to take this golden metallic paint, and I'm going to give a nice paint on all over those designs so the design shows up, and I'm going to show that in just a second. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy how this turned out as of now. Now I wanted to add a flower basket in front of the house. So this is one of the piece from takeout box. It has got nice floral decor to it. I just cut it down in that basket shape, and I added flowers into it to complete the look. And I just am so happy how this turned out, and I wanted to convert this into a beautiful home and a window to peek through. And I'm going to turn the lights on and show it turned out even more pretty. You can decorate any part of the house, maybe in your bookshelf, or just simply shelf sitter. So yeah, this is another decor that I wanted to share with you, and I wanted to show this with the lights on, and I want to turn the lights off and show the really how beautiful this is. And I wanted to add one more decoration here, so I just got one of this night lamp from Dollar Tree and some of this skewers, and I just antique waxed it. And this is a blue light one, and I just got some of this magazine printout, which has like a couch, nice living room decor there. So I wanted to give like a nice curtains on outside, and I just tucked those with this Mod Podge, and I'm just taking out the excess paper by sanding stone, and I'm going to use the skewers, the antique waxed skewers on all the four corners. And before that I just want to give like a nice curtains look to it. So I just took this lace fabric, and I'm just cutting down on two pieces on. I'm just going to stick one on either side, and just I'm pleating it down to give like a nice curtain look there. So this is two pieces that I got. Now I'm taking hot glue, and I'm just sticking on top just like that, and I'm going to pleat it down a little bit and then curl it inside, and I'm going to attach a pearl string to actually pull the curtains to the corner. You're going to see that in just a second. So I pulled the curtains to on the corners just like that. Now I'm taking the hot glue, and I'm sticking this antique waxed skewer onto the top, just like that. Now I'm also taking some of this pearl strings pieces and I'm just hot gluing on top of those corners, just like that, to give extra decoration there. And I am done decorating this, and I'm going to show how it looks after I turn the lights on. But you cannot really see the design from the video, but this is how it looks, you guys, and I'm so happy how this turned out. So these are the some of the ideas that I want to share with you all today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on subscribe and join. And thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.